Welcome. After 90 minutes of trade on this Friday morning, I want to take a look at one of the big deals that's been announced today, a complete surprise to the market, with Tesco announcing a £3.7 billion deal to merge with Booker Group. This is the UK's biggest food wholesaler. This is big news in the sector. The country's biggest supermarket buying the UK's biggest wholesale operator, which is a FTSE 250 listed company. Booker offers goods to many thousands of clients. The addition of Booker, which owns the Londis, Budgen, Premier and Family Shopper brands, will add around £3 billion to Tesco's £15.5 billion market capitalisation. Let's take a look first of all at what's happening with the shares, because Tesco, which if we go back to this vertical blue line here, this is where Dave Lewis took over from a very troubled period of management for Tesco, and we've still not managed to recoup the lost ground here, but today's deal has taken it back up to levels not seen since the middle of January, currently trading at 206 pence a share. The stock is up 8% on this news, and the company, Tesco, says that the Booker deal will be accretive immediately. Looking at where we are at the moment, we've just topped out at the green line here, which is the 50-day moving average for Tesco. So that's the way in which that stock has opened this morning. Let's move on to the Booker share price, and this is a deal which is worth 205.3 pence per share. So therefore the question has to be asked as to why the stock has risen to 212 pence a share. Well, there's two reasons for this. First of all, when you get a deal like this, the company that's the target of the takeover, also the deal, if it's assumed that there could well be another company coming in potentially to make a higher offer, sometimes you get a share price that's above the offer value. I don't suspect that's what's happened in this case. Booker Group here is trading above this. It's because the deal is made up of shares of Tesco and of cash. So Booker investors will get cash, plus they get the Tesco shares. Tesco shares are up 8% this morning. So I suspect that's the reason why we got this price for Booker at a far higher level than we have of the offer of 205.3 pence a share. Here we are at 212 pence a share. The Booker chief executive came out with a statement this morning saying, this is a done deal. I've agreed the terms and I've gone to shareholders to say, look, we should accept this because this is a good deal. All chief executives and board members are under an obligation to make sure that they work in the best interests of the shareholders, and I suspect we've got this deal signed and sealed and it'll now all go through. Whether or not the competition authorities get involved, well, that's another matter, but I suspect that this is a done deal and it'll go through, and ultimately Booker will become part of Tesco. But certainly it's a day of gains for both Booker and Tesco share price.